Hey guys, this is Thomas at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite brands on the water, which is Scout. This is the Scout 175 Sportfish. Beautiful boat, guys. It's got the white hull color. This boat has the upgraded Mercury 115, plenty of power for this little boat. Of course, it has a stainless steel prop, and it is equipped with trim tabs. Plenty of performance. Looking at the back here, you'll see it does have a swim ladder with a nice little boarding ladder for all your swimming, getting in and out of the boat. Taking a look at the boat itself, it's nicely equipped. This does have the reversible helm seat, which is nice. It can face either way. Say you're using the back here for fishing, you can flip it up forwards, or then when you're driving, of course, you can have it sitting back. Plenty of room on the helm. Mercury digital gauges, trim tabs. Nice glove box, put your gear, your phone, etc. Guys, what a great boat. Up above the console here, it has a nice cooler seat. Plenty of room. Guys, this boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor, so nice and easy to add a trolling motor to this. All your switches are located forwards of your anchor locker here for your trolling motor. Keeps all your cords nice and out of the way. Boat does have the Fusion stereo with 4 speakers on board, as you'll see. Guys, what a nicely equipped boat. Easy to manage, great performance, good on fuel, easy to tow. This boat gets the job done, and of course has a bimini top to keep you covered from the sun during the summer. For more information, please visit MarineMax.com or give us a call at 236-9005. Again, this is Thomas Talent at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you for taking a look at this video.